Okay, we are on the way to San Antonio de los Cobres on this dirt road. Can't go very fast, but we're gonna try and say hello to a couple soft-looking creatures. Oh. Hey! Well, I'm in the salt flats of northern Argentina, and you know, it's pretty flat. It's pretty flat. It feels nice. It's very soft to walk on, but it's a little crunchy. And oh, let's choose a good piece here. We'll try it. Very salty. All right, well, just another day in the life of northern Argentina. Miguel, show us what this beast of a car can do.
Look this, look this, look this. Water, water, water in English. Oh, it's quite entertaining.
Is it cold? Oh boy.
That.
All right, Miguel, let's corner this. I'll chase her towards you.